As Torontonians prepared to pare down Thanksgiving festivities this weekend, many were concerned about the seemingly conflicting messaging from public health officials. In this week's Q&A session with the city's Associate Medical Officer of Health, one viewer wanted to know why extended family are not allowed to gather around the table, but students are allowed to interact with up to 27 non-family members in classrooms.
In a classroom, the children are not interacting with one another the way you interact with the people who you live with. They're wearing masks, they're keeping a physical distance as much as possible, they're being screened every day they come to school. They're making sure that they have hand washing moments throughout the day. And so that's why the classroom setting is different from a household setting.
Another viewer wanted clarification about indoor gathering limits. If you can have 10 people gather indoors, why is a big Thanksgiving gathering with family being discouraged?
Our Medical Officer of Health for Toronto, Dr. Davila, is making a very strong recommendation to everyone to have Thanksgiving with your household. And, if you have to go out, to do it in safer ways. Now, the provincial law under the Reopening Ontario Act, the law is that you can have up to 10 indoors in your house and up to 25 outdoors. But the regulation is such that if you have 10 people indoors, they all have to be physically distanced. And so it's not that you can automatically have 10, it's based on your space. But even though that may be allowed by the law, it's legal, the recommendation is that we, for the next few weeks, really try and tighten our circle. And I think we really have to recognize that we're in a real crucial moment here right now. At the beginning of September, we were having about 40 cases a day, and now it's 239 cases a day, and so we have to do more, and that's what we're asking everyone to do.
We've got more with Dr. Vinita Dubey on our websites citynews.ca and 680news.com. Point your phone camera to the code on the screen you see right now, and a link will pop up to take you directly to that article. For City News, I'm Dilshad Burman.